How to reverse video in CapCut. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the tutorial. For this, open up your CapCut application and first step, select a video. Now wait until your video totally loads up. To reverse a video, you can select a particular section by tapping on the video and splitting a section of the video, then selecting the reverse option. If not, you can reverse the whole video as well. For that, select the video preview at the bottom in the timeline, scroll at the bottom of the toolbar. Then you will see the option of reverse, so go ahead and tap on the reverse icon. Now you don't have to do anything, but wait until CapCut does its magic. Now if you give it a play, you will see that your video has been reversed. Isn't it such a cool and easy technique? Now that is how you will be able to reverse your video. But however, if you face any of the glitch issue regarding this feature, follow up this next step. So exit from your application, then press and hold on your CapCut application and head to App Info. Force stop it and head to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. This will help with any bug issue that might be causing the problem. Open up your Play Store or App Store and search for CapCut and give it a tap. In here, you have to check for an update. If there is any, leave it for an update. If not, uninstall the application and reinstall it later. And that is how you can easily solve this problem and reverse the video. And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.